Hi, this is Don Hogle from downtown Manhattan in New York. During the lockdown of the pandemic, and still to this day, one of my great solaces has been to go for long walks along the Hudson River through the park that's been constructed there. And this poem begins on one of those walks. It's called Pier 46. I was walking among the geese, pecking at crumbs in the turf of the reclaimed pier, when suddenly I was filled with sympathy for the carnival of the whole human project. Helicopters chafed the clouds above the Hudson, shuttling between the jagged Jersey skyline and Manhattan's upward thrust. The city cast its reflection over the water, trolling for what? In high school, my friend Jay and I pitched a tent in my backyard as far from the house as we could. A dense hedge stood between us and the neighbor's yard. We smoked cigarettes we'd stolen from my father. We were perched on the edge of the known world. Cicadas chirped their siren song, and possibility splayed itself before us. Whatever it might bring, we would brave it together. That much we knew. At the end of the pier, through fog on the horizon, I glimpsed the tiny figurine of the Statue of Liberty, her torch lit like the tips of my father's Marlboros, which glowed for a moment each time we inhaled. Thank you.